Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics. So in this video we will discuss about the population. So let's get started. So first of all, society and population. The science of the population is also called the demography, a fundamental approach to understand of the human society. The task of the demographer is to ascertain the number of the people in a given area and the changes that have taken place over the last year and that add to the estimate future trends. So birth, death and the migrations are considered here, and it is a sociologically important also. To a great extent it is socially determined, and the population is studied not only with the reference to the area but also with the reference to its characteristics. The birth depend upon the fertility, whereas the death depend upon the mortality, and thus these three factor example is that fertility, mortality and the migration influence the number of the people in a particular area, and these factors are to the great extent socially determined and the socially determining. The demographic studies the populations not only with the reference to the area but also with the reference to the characteristics such as the age, sex, literacy, region, occupations, and the marital status. All these traits, such as the selected by the populationist, are the socially important, and the census therefore given informations that is both demographically and socially important, and the society play a vital role to increase the populations and to maintain the social order, and the control growth of the populations may be threaten the social order, and if that is so the society has to impose restraint on such growth, and therefore an adjustment between the rate of the population growth and the social condition is necessary. So next is the social detriment of the fertility. The society does not allow the people to reduce to their full biological capacity, and it always put control on the actual reproductions, which are both conscious and unconscious control, and on the other hand society encourage fertility consciously and unconsciously. So next is consciously and unconsciously control the fertility. Unconsciously control for the fertility thoughts on the associations of the male and the female. For example, a wife will not be associated with the man other than her husband, and on the sexual intercourse. For example, a brother will not be intercourse with his sister, and a guest from fornications and adultery at the different level. For example, a man and the woman will not intercourse unless married. So conscious control for the fertility is in fixing in the minimum age of for the marriage, and forbidding widow remarriage or monogamous marriages, and limiting the size of the family. So next are the consciously and unconsciously encourage the fertility. Consciously encourage the fertility, a rebate, discontinue in discount in the income tax, a higher dearness allowance, and a facility to getting a house, admissions to certain position, and unconsciously encourage for the fertility is salvation of the soul, security of old age, the productions of goods, and to assure of the effects. So this is all about the society and population. Hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching the video.